Windows Updates 101, new upgrade releases, what they do, where you can find them, and how to download them. Checking for Windows updates and troubleshooting errors is a good idea to keep your system running smoothly. Here's how you can handle it. Checking for Windows updates. 1. Open Windows Settings, press Windows key +I or go to Start Settings. 2. Go to Updates, select Update and Security, on Windows 10, or Windows Update, on Windows 11. Click Check for Updates. 3. Install updates. If there are updates available, they will start downloading automatically. Once they are downloaded, you can click Install Now or wait for the system to prompt you to restart. If you encounter an error code. 1. Note the error code. Windows updates sometimes display a specific error code, like 0x80073712 or 0x80070020. Write this down, it helps in troubleshooting. 2 basic troubleshooting steps. Restart your computer. Often, a simple restart clears temporary issues that may be blocking updates. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Update and Security, troubleshoot additional troubleshooters. Select Windows Update and then click Run the troubleshooter. 3. Clear Windows Update cache. Open the command prompt as administrator. Type these commands one by one to stop Windows Update services: netstop wowserv, netstop crypt svc, netstop bits, netstop server. Then, delete the software distribution folder, ren c:\windows\soft twa redistribution software distribution.old, restart the Windows Update services, netstart wowserv, netstart crypt svc, netstart bits, netstart server 4. Use the Microsoft Update Assistant. Download the Windows Update Assistant, https://www.microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 10, or Windows 11 version, depending on your OS, from Microsoft. This tool can install updates directly and bypass some errors in the regular update system. 5. Look up specific error codes. If none of the above steps work, look up the specific error code on Microsoft's support site or forums.